Hello friends, today I am going to show you TP-Link Deco AX3000. So this is a Wi-Fi 6 mesh Wi-Fi router which supports AX3000 and connects up to 150 devices for each Deco, and it can cover up to 7,000 square feet. That is ideally for 4 to 7 bedrooms houses. So let's see on the box what it's mentioned here. On the side, as you can see, it is mentioned that it supports 575 Mbps of bandwidth on 2.4 GHz and 2.4 Gbps on 5 GHz. This is a dual band router, my friends, and the best protocol is 802.11kVr. So as you can see, it also supports MU, MI, MAMO and OFDMA, BSS coloring, 1024 QAM, WPA3 encryptions, access point mode, smart connect. Also there is IPv6 compatible, guest network, optional Ethernet backhaul. You can also use the backhaul as kind of without connecting it to the other Decos. You can use the Ethernet backhaul to connect to them, and there are 2 gigabit ports in each of the Decos. Okay, why wait, my friends? Let's open this up. And also this comes with 3 years of warranty. As you can see here, it is mentioned here, it comes with a 3 years of warranty, and this is the toll-free number to get your replacements. Nothing mentioned on any of the sides and on the back. Let's see what's in the back before tearing the box. On the back, as it is mentioned, as usual, the marketing stuff like Wi-Fi dead zone killer, seamless roaming with the one Wi-Fi name. Yeah, that is the very good thing that TP-Link has first started, which they call as smart connect feature. And also there are some parental controls like limit online time, block inappropriate content according to your unique profiles created for your each family member. It also has an inbuilt antivirus in it, and you can also prioritize the devices that you want your faster internet connectivity, as it is mentioned here. So why wait, my friends? Let's tear this up. So this package is received in this way. I got it in this way. Let's cut it out. So I suppose they have sent okay. So as you can see here, let me tear it out. So I think it comes out from this side. Yes, it comes out from this side. Yes, as you can see here, it's a very big box, my friend. I think it weighs around 3 kilos. Each router, each Deco, as we say in TP-Link, is quite heavy. And this has got a quad-core processor with 256 GB of RAM and 512 MB of NAND flash. So as you can see here, this is inside the box. Let me focus that part. So as you can see here, inside the box, in this way, we have, this is a 3-pack version, so we get 3 Decos. So the top finish is really nice, the design is really good. Here it is mentioned to download the Deco app, how to, a quick installation tool, like you have to turn off your modem and plug in the modem and Deco and open your app and start switching it on. So it is also mentioned here, let me show you. As you can see here, it is also mentioned here that as you can see here, it is mentioned here, the yellow is startup, blue is setting up, green is all is well, and red is has an issue. So I will open one by one and I'll show you how the decos are. So this is the first deco. There is a band all around it, as you can see here, and below there are two rubber guides that will help you that when you keep it on top of a table it will not move away. And here is the reset button, as you can see here, and also the MAC ID and Deco's SSID is mentioned here, but there is no password mentioned here, so I think it will get connected using the Deco app. So as you can see here, the power socket here and 2 gigabit ports Ethernet backhaul. So one thing that I like in TP-Link is that you are not bound. If you have seen my last video of the Netgear Wi-Fi router setup and everything, then you might have known that Netgear provides one as a permanent router and others act as a satellite. You cannot select any one to make as a router, but in this case anyone you can make as the router. Like the first one that you pick it out from this box and connect it to your modem, that becomes the router. So let's check what's inside the box more. I don't think that this is fixed. This, if they're just tearing up. Okay, this is coming out. Okay, this is coming out. Okay, let me keep this all side. The box is quite heavy and routers are not that much heavy. I see that. So as you can see here, let me keep all this side and open this up. Okay, in here, as you can see here, in here we get the quick installation guide, and inside here I think, yes, the TP-Link's flat Ethernet cable that if you have seen my channel earlier, then you might have seen the Deco unboxing of the M4 that also gets this type of can't connect to Wi-Fi 6 product wirelessly. Some older versions you need the driver update and software update to that to connect it. Okay, and there are three power sockets, and these are not USB-C, my friends. These are the normal power sockets. Let's open this and check it out. Okay, it's steering, and the glue is really hot. Let's tear from the side. Okay, so as you can see here, the style of this is the Indian plug, but it works fine, and this is the power jack. It's quite different. The design is different, as you can see here, my friends. The design is totally different, and it is 12 volt 2 ampere out and 24 watt. Each is a 24 watt. So these are the 3 power adapters, and these are the 3 decos. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. This was the video of unboxing of TP-Link Deco X60 Wi-Fi 6 mesh router. Do subscribe my channel and stay put. I will be also uploading the part 2 of this video where we will be setting up this device, and throughout the process I will tell you how to do it. So bye bye, stay safe.